So, what's up guys? I'm going to be going to pick up a new tow truck here, so yeah. And if y'all are new to the channel, go ahead and like and subscribe and turn the notifications on. That will help me out so much. Let's try to get 8 likes in this video. So, and also, right now my goal is 100 subscribers in the next 2 months. So if you're seeing this video and you're not subscribed, just subscribe. It's free. It takes 5 seconds to just press a button. So just subscribe. But anyways, we're going to pick up a new truck. It is going to be a brand new, well, not brand new. It's going to be like an older kind of tow truck. Kind of, not really. It's both. So, I'm just going to come on down here. So I think it's this house. Yep. There she is. It's a really old tow truck. I'm gonna have to put a hood on it. I know he was just backing it out of the shed and forgot to close the hood down, and he just the hood just got off. So let's take her for a ride. I don't know how good it's gonna pull. Doubt it's gonna pull great, just because of how it's small and stuff. Slow. So we're gonna look at this forward. So comment down below if I feel like do like a good cool build series and make it where like it's not a tow truck and stuff. But it's kind of ugly. And using the brand new F450 I had in the last video. Or one of the last videos, so yeah. I'm just gonna like stop right up here. I'm trying to drive this sucker home. But yeah, y'all comment down below if I should like do a big build series or something on this. Cause I will if y'all like tell me to or something. You also tell me if I should like go rock crawling or something out here one day. Cause there's a lot of stuff that I can rock crawl. Y'all just comment down below if I should like go rock crawl and stuff. Yeah. Well, I guess. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will catch y'all on the next.